In this particular video, we will look into the details of class Mammalia. Now, the class Mammalia is the most evolved class of phylum Chordata. Talking of the characteristic features, there are two of these. So, the first character is the presence of mammary glands. So, if we look into the name Mammalia, it refers to the mammary glands, and this is the most unique mammalian characteristic. The second characteristic in the case of mammals is the presence of hairs on skin. So, if we talk about birds or the aves, their feathers were present on the skin, but in the case of mammals, it is hairs which are present. Talking of the habitat, mammals are found in a variety of habitats, like these can be found on polar ice caps, mountains, dark caves, forests, grasslands, and deserts. Now, most mammals live on land, that is, these are terrestrial, but there are some mammals which live in water. There are some mammals which can fly. So, the mammals which live in water, we can call these as aquatic mammals, and which fly as aerial mammals. So, the examples of aquatic mammals are whale, dolphin, seals, and sea cows. Bats are the only mammals which can fly. Now, mammals are member of tetrapoda. So, they will have two pair of limbs. These limbs are adapted for various functions like walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, or flying. Talking of the condition of skulls, so mammals are characterized by dicondylic skull. Now, what is this dicondylic skull? Now, our skull has a bone by the name of occipital bone. So, this is the occipital bone. This bone lies at the back, at the bottom side of our skull. Now, this occipital bone, it articulates with the first vertebra. Now, if this occipital bone has one condyle, it is called as monocondylic. If it is two condyles, it is called as dicondylic. So, in the case of mammals, these two condyles are present, and that is why the condition is called as dicondylic skull. Talking of the skin, in the case of mammals, scales are absent and skin has hairs on it. The condition of tooth or teeth is special in the case of mammals. Different type of teeth are present in the jaw, and this condition is called as heterodont condition. External ears or ear pinna will be present in the case of mammals. Respiratory organ will be lungs in the case of mammals. So, if it is asked that what is the respiratory organ in the case of whales or dolphins? So, in the case of whales and dolphins, gills will not be present. Now, since these are mammals, so these will also have lungs in them. Talking of the chambers of heart, it is four-chambered heart. So, two auricles and two ventricles will be present. Along with aves, class Mammalia members are warm-blooded or homeothermal. That is, they will be able to maintain a constant body temperature irrespective of external environmental conditions. After this, talking of the reproductive system. So, in this, males and females are separate. So, unisexual, sexual reproduction is present. Fertilization occurs inside the body, that is internal fertilization. Larva will be absent in the case of mammals, so it is direct development. And these animals, mammals, give birth to young ones, so these are viviparous. But there are certain exceptions over here. So, some initial mammals are oviparous, and a prominent example of egg-laying mammal or oviparous mammal is Platypus, which is known by the name of Ornithorhynchus. After this, talking of the examples, so there are very less mammals which are oviparous or egg-laying. So, the example as we talked about was Platypus, scientifically known as Ornithorhynchus. Rest we will talk about animals which give birth to young ones, that is are viviparous. We can divide it into three parts: the animals, mammals which live in water, aquatic mammals, which can fly, that is the aerial mammals, and the rest which live on land, that is terrestrial mammals. Now, examples of aquatic mammals is the Balinoptera or blue whale. Blue whale or Balinoptera is shown here. The next is Delphinus or the common dolphin. Aerial mammals, flying fox or pteropus. So this is flying fox or pteropus shown here. It is a bat. Then there is Macropus kangaroo shown here. Then camel is known by the name of Camellus, horse by the name of Equus, rat is called Rattus, dog is called Canis, cat is called Felis, elephant is called Elephas, tiger is known by the name of Panthera tigris, and lion is known by the name of Panthera leo.